Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see all media of WhatsApp chat. And now let's dive right in. Now to see all media of a WhatsApp chat, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone and open up the chat box of the person on which you want to see all videos of that chat. And after opening that chat, guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the media, links and docs option available for us. And with that being done, guys, since I have not shared any media with this contact or the friend of mine, there are currently no media documents or links. But in your case, on this chat, you will be able to see all the videos of WhatsApp chat over here and media. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see all media of a WhatsApp chat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.